In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add text in CapCut. Adding text to your video can help convey information, emphasize key points, or simply make your video more engaging. To get started, open up the CapCut app and import the video to which you want to add text. After that, tap on the text option at the bottom. And then tap Add Text. What you want to do next is type in the text you want to add. Tap on the check mark. Now you can select the style of the text. To do that, tap on the Style option at the bottom. Now you have all these different options to customize the text. You can change the color, make the text bigger or smaller, add effects and animations to it, and even add text bubbles. You can also move the text to anywhere in the video. Once you are happy with everything, tap on the check mark. You can also select at which time the text appears. To do that, move it like this to your desired location. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.